Hey guys, Syed here, and I'm so pumped to share this killer 10-minute workout with you. What if I told you you could torch fat in just 10 minutes? No gym, no equipment, just your body. Stick around because this fast, science-backed workout burns calories for hours after you finish. We're talking maximum efficiency, minimal time. No excuses, right? Okay, let's crush this. Alright guys, let's kick things off with some jump squats. Remember, it's all about that explosive power. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and then explode up into a jump. Land softly. This ignites your legs and core. Keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement. We want those abs working too. Don't let your knees go past your toes when you squat down. We're pushing our limits, but always with good form, okay? Come on, you got this. Feel that burn in those legs. Time to get that heart rate up. Get into a high plank position, shoulders over your wrists, core tight. Now drive those knees towards your chest, one leg at a time as fast as you can. Think fat-burning furnace. We're not jogging here, guys. We're sprinting. The faster you go, the more calories you burn. Keep that core engaged. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. Don't let those hips sag. You're doing amazing. Okay, I know burpees, but trust me, these are a game changer for fat burning. Start standing, then squat down, place your hands on the ground and kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, or modify if you need to. Jump your feet back towards your hands and explode up into a jump. Yes, burpees suck, but they work. Just 30 seconds. Remember, we're going for quality over quantity here. Maintain good form throughout the entire movement and breathe. Push through it. You're almost there. Chapter 4. Let's target that core even more with some plank jacks. Get back into that high plank position, shoulders over your wrists, core tight. Now jump your feet out wide, then back together, just like you're doing a jumping jack, but in a plank. Engage that core. No sagging. You got this. Remember, we want to keep our hips as stable as possible. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your lower back. You're doing amazing. Keep pushing. Chapter 5. High knees. Time to get that heart rate pumping again. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Now drive your knees up towards your chest, one at a time, as high as you can. Pump those arms. Faster equals more burn. We're looking for speed and power here, guys. Imagine you're running through tires, quick and explosive. Keep your core engaged and your chest lifted. Don't slouch. You're doing fantastic. Almost there. Chapter 6. Lunges and kicks. Let's work those legs and glutes even more with some lunges and kicks. Step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground. Then as you come up, kick your right leg straight out in front of you. Repeat on the other side. Balance plus power equals lean legs. Make sure your front knee doesn't go past your toes when you lunge. Keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement. You're doing so well. Keep it up. Chapter 7. Plank hold. Last exercise, guys. We're ending strong with a plank hold. Get into that high plank position, shoulders over your wrists and hold it. Squeeze every muscle. Engage your core, your glutes, your quads, your arms, everything. This is the final push, guys. Remember why you started. You're stronger than you think. Keep breathing. You're almost there. And hold. Amazing work, everyone. Sotro, you crushed it. Great job. Give yourselves a huge pat on the back. You just torched major calories. Seriously, how awesome was that? This workout uses EPOC, the afterburn effect, meaning you'll burn calories for up to 48 hours. Do this 3 times a week with our free meal plan for insane results. Remember, consistency is key. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you finished. Want more 10-minute workouts? Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We drop fat melting routines every Tuesday. I'm so proud of you all.